Welcome to a series of cooking videos by me. By following this series, you'll be able to look like a worse cook than you have ever before. So the first recipe I'll introduce to you is the chocolate sandwich. So picture this, it's the end of the term. You've got no money. The last time you used your card was a week ago, and it got declined. So all you've got is this cheap Sainsbury's bread and some Asda Smart Price chocolate, as you always do. So rather than eating it, you might think that, oh, I might just eat your chocolate on its own. But that is not the way to truly get maximum enjoyment out of it, because you will go through it far too quickly. Instead, you can break off 4 rectangles like so, place them inside the bread, and eat it. It's like 87% edible, probably, which is good enough. But say it's not quite that bad. Say you even have some butter left. Wow. Vegan master chef you are. You can get some butter. If you can get some butter. Put it on here. On the chocolate. And you could eat it like this. But I'll present to you the final form of a chocolate sandwich, which is the microwave chocolate sandwich. So by using this technique, you will no longer need to use your teeth when you eat the chocolate sandwich, because this will soften the chocolate. You don't want it to melt, because that way it will drip and will be inconvenient to eat. But doing this is truly the optimum way to consume the ideal chocolate sandwich. I think it's pretty good. So make sure to like, share, subscribe. I'll be making more videos when I have spare time and I have nothing to do. And drop comments down below to tell me what to cook very badly next time. See you. This is always so awkward.